give away to the new. We have amongst us our Pro Vice Chairman Dr. Ashok Kumar Pansari sir. I would like to invite sir to share a few words of wisdom with us.
Yes, DPS is the best. DPS Guwahati is the best. Before I start my formal talk, I would like to share one incident which has happened just in front of we all, and I think from there we should learn a lesson. When the chief guest and we were invited for lighting of the lamp was not ready. But the kind of cool that was maintained by the director, principal, the chief guest, the member of the management, that was something to be noticed and to be learned. My dear students, in life you will confront it with such situation in many times. You will go to the classroom, you will find that teacher has not arrived. You will go to the hostel, dining hall, you will see that today for some reason the food is not ready. You will go to the bus stand, college bus has not arrived. You will go to the laboratories, the laboratory assistant has not kept many things ready. Should we react or we should adjust our schedule and maintain our cool? That is something to be learned from that incident of lighting of the lamp. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, I told ma'am that on this very occasion the students are so excited to greet each other. This is the time when they have a lot of fun to meet the teachers. They have heard we all speak for long 15 years. The sermons, the preaching of the teachers, they are no more interested to listen anything else. However, Madam was interested to listen to some of my Sanskrit slok, and equally I am interested to share those sloks, which of course has to be relevant to you. Ma'am, Principal Prakash said that we have tried to nurture the students in the best possible way. Yes, we could see at least 3 samples right here. The disciplined marching of the students, the wonderful orchestra show, and these two beautiful girls, so much of confidence in their anchoring. I salute ma'am, I salute the students. You have very nicely nurtured in the best school of the region. Today, amongst us, we have a very wonderful person. Probably in the whole country, will hardly find a bureaucrat with so many degrees. While you all know he is an IAS, he is an IIT graduate, he is an IIM graduate. He also has done his diploma in public policy from ISB Hyderabad, and he has also done his PhD. Came from an equally good school like this, Little Flower from Hyderabad, of course that rank among the top 5 schools in the country. When he is there, I am sure we all will be eagerly waiting to listen to the words of wisdom from Dr. B. Kalyan Chakravarti ji. We are overwhelmed, sir. And I am sure he is a great role model, and many of you must aspire to be like him. So, I congratulate the batch of 2024 and wish you all the best for your board examinations. I also congratulate all the parents. I'm sure this is your hard work. This is the hard work of the teachers and the hard work of the students who all have prepared themselves to appear for these board examinations, and I'm sure they will come with flying colors. The teachers have a great role to play in making or in shaping the students. Even in our Shastras, it is said, Acharyat padamatate padam shishya swamedhaya kalena padamadatte padam sah brahmacharibhyah. A part of the teaching you learn from teachers. Another part you learn from self-intellect. One part you learn from time and experience, and the last part you learn from your peers. So I am sure the teachers have played a great role in shaping your future, and you have worked hard. And whatever you have done so far, now your examination is knocking at the door. Your parents must be pressing much hard. But whatever you have done, done. Don't put much tension, because now it is the time to see the result. Karmanne vadika raste ma phaleshu kadachan ma karma phaletu here ma. I just forget the line. Anyway, you know that. So, whatever karma you have to done, you have done. Yes, of course, only one thing you can do. These 2 months are very important. Now, your grooming cannot be better in these 2 months. Your real skill cannot improve in these 2 months. Whatever discipline you have learned, that cannot be improved in 2 months. Only one thing, there could be a drastic change. That is, you can get at least 5 to 10% more marks if you work very systematically, very hard working in the next 2 months, because after all, marks also matters for examinations or for getting admission somewhere in the good colleges. Of course, in the life, it doesn't matter much. And for dear parents, I will also request you one thing, that these children have now grown up. They are of the age of 17, 18 years. In our Shastras it is said, Lalyat panchavarshani, Lalyet panchavarshani, Darsvarshani tadyet, Prapte chay sodase varshe, Putram mitram vadacharet. Meaning thereby, इन बच्चों को 5 साल तक खूब लाड प्यार कीजिए आप. नेक्स्ट 10 years is the time when you उनको प्रताड़ित, reprimand them, teach them everything of the life lesson. Once they reach the age of 16 years, 5 plus 10, 16, treat them like friends. In the sloka it is used the word putram mitram udacharit. पुत्र को मित्र की तरह समझें, पुत्री पुत्र दोनों को ही आप मित्र की तरह समझें. तो मेरे आदरणीय अभिभावकों से मेरा विशेष निवेदन है कि इन बच्चों पर आप न तो पढ़ाई का दबाव डालें, न परीक्षा का दबाव डालें, न अच्छे अंक लाने का दबाव डालें, और न ही किसी विशेष कोर्स को सेलेक्ट करने का दबाव डालें. लेट देम चूज देयर ओन करियर. दिस इज माई हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू द डियर पेरेंट्स. एंड एक बात आपको और बता देता हूँ, इन्होंने जो करना था कर लिया. हमें अपना काम करना है, बाकी चीज़ हमें डेस्टिनी पर छोड़ देना है. हमारे शास्त्रों में कहा गया है, रामायण की एक चौपाई है, कह मुनि सही मवंत सुनो, जो विधि लिखा लीलार, देव दनुज नर नाग मुनि को न मेट निहार. जो इस तकदीर में लिखा है वही होगा, इसलिए आप बहुत ज़्यादा टेंशन मत करिए. बच्चों ने अपना कार्य किया है, अब ईश्वर को अपना कार्य करने दीजिए. जो बच्चा बहुत अच्छा नंबर नहीं लाएगा, शायद वह जीवन में कुछ और बहुत अच्छा करेगा. कोई ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप IAS बने, आप डॉक्टर बने, आप इंजीनियर बने. वॉट एवर यू डू योर बेस्ट. और एक बात और बता देता हूँ, चाणक्य जी ने 2000 साल पहले चाणक्य जी ने एक श्लोक लिखा था, आयु कर्म च वित्तम च विद्या निधन मेव च पंचैतानि ही सृजन्ते गर्भस्तस्य ही देहिन. मनुष्य जब गर्भ धारण करता है तब 5 चीज़ें निश्चित हो जाती है, आयु कर्म वित्त, आयु कर्म च वित्तम च विद्या निधन मेव च. विद्या और निधन की डेट, तो आपकी विद्या सब फिक्स्ड है. कौन डॉक्टर बनेगा, कौन एजुकेशनिस्ट बनेगा, कौन IAS बनेगा, सब फिक्स्ड है. इसलिए बहुत चिंता करने की दरकार नहीं है, लेकिन कर्म करना है, पूरे परिश्रम के साथ कर्म करना है. आपने एक मूवी देखी होगी 12th फेल. उसमें जो एक्टर है, जब वह इंटरव्यू देता है, उसे पूछा जाता है कि अगर आप IPS नहीं बने तो बड़ा ही इनोसेंटली जवाब देता है, कोई बात नहीं, IPS बनना तो मेरे लिए एक माध्यम था, मुझे तो समाज में परिवर्तन करना है. मैं IPS नहीं बनूंगा तो किसी दूसरे तरह से समाज में जो मुझे परिवर्तन करना है मैं करूंगा. तो आपको भी आपकी डिग्री को एक माध्यम समझना चाहिए. इसे यू शुड नॉट ट्रीट इज एट द एंड, इट इज जस्ट ए मीन्स. नाउ some issues which is very relevant and I thought I must share. I will not speak about being a great human being, humble, these, that, already people have spoken. And you are already great. Now, since you are going to be stepping into higher education, there are few challenges which you will again confront. You know, in higher education, of course, after coming up of NEP 2020, things are likely to be changed. But hitherto, our syllabus is so kind of made that you just get a degree, a license to get a job. My dear students, right from day, try to see that there is a lot to learn out of the classroom. Unless you make yourself skillful, unless you make yourself a man with positive attitude, neither you will produce yourself an employable person, nor you will make a person who will employ many. So the biggest challenge is our citizens produced from the higher educational institutions, they are neither employable, neither they become entrepreneur. You have ample scope to become entrepreneur and contribute in the society, in the economic development. Another thing which is important is the ethical and moral values which are going down like anything. We all are after our degree, after our result. Have we ever think about the challenges in the society? Have we ever think about the global warming? The issues of water, the pollution, the tolerance among people. Nehruji had said, who dies if India lives, who lives if India dies. Similarly, we must think, are we going to live? If the globe will be like that, we all are generating wealth for our next generation, but whether that next generation will be fit enough to use that, if the air pollution is like that, if there will be no plants, no animals, God has created a very balanced nature. We are tampering with the nature. Unless we produce the citizen or you think to become like that, we are going to have a lot of challenges. Another issue which is very pertinent. English is a common language for all of us. I am also speaking English because many of you may not understand Hindi. It's a lingua franca. But why two guys both understand well Assamese, both understand well Hindi, speak in English? Why this foreign language? We talk English. We wear English clothing. We eat English food. We drink what they drink. We thought the way they think. And that is why all the problems as it is. Why not our own languages? Why not we imbibe our own culture among you? Such beautiful dresses we have in our traditional form of dresses. Our language so rich. Our food habits take care of all the diseases by which we suffer now. During COVID, we all started doing what our grandfather, great grandfather used to do. So my request to all my dear students will be, just say goodbye to all this Western culture. I am sure many of you are very, very eager just to go to Bangalore, Pune, out of the clutches of your parents. Must go, pursue your career, but take care that be rooted with the Indian culture, Indian values, because the answer of all the challenges by which this generation of today is suffering, you will find in Indian value system. The empathy and the sympathy, the kind of thought process they have, the selfish citizen they are producing. I don't want my child, my students, after having completed their education, get a job, or even for higher education, go to US, study there, settle there, hardly bother about their parents. But in our Indian culture, we talk about going together, thinking together, walking together. Sangachhatvam, samvaddadvam, sambo mananasi janatam, देवा भागम यथा पूर्वे संजानामना उपास्यते। हम एक साथ चलें, एक साथ बोलें, एक जैसा सोचें। हमारे देवता ऐसा करते थे, इसलिए वे पूजनीय हैं। हम सेल्फिश नहीं बने। हमारे शास्त्रों में हमें एक दूसरे की सहायता करने के लिए की बात कही गई है। पूरे पृथ्वी को एक परिवार की तरह ट्रीट किया गया है। वसुधैव कुटुंबकम अयम निजय परोवित्ति गणना लघु चेतसाम उदार चरिता नाम तू वसुधैव कुटुंबकम। आप उदार बने, यू शुड हैव एम्पैथी एंड सिंपैथी। आप इस भावना के साथ अगर आगे बढ़ेंगे तो आपका पर्पज ऑफ बीइंग विल बी एक्नॉलेज्ड। यू मस्ट आस्क योरसेल्फ व्हाट्स द पर्पज। गेटिंग ए डिग्री इज नेवर ए पर्पज, इट जस्ट ए मीन्स। Since we have a great speaker followed, I will like to end. One more thing, of course, I will have to mention. You know, the culture of West, the way they grow, the time they grow, they are settled separately. They don't stay with their parents most of the time. But in our Shastras, what is said? Avivadam Silasya नित्यम अभिवादन शीलस्य नित्यम वृद्धोपसेविनः चत्वारि तस्य वर्धन्ते आयुर्विद्या यशोबलम। आप एक साथ जॉइंट फैमिली में, यूनिट फैमिली में रहते हैं और अपने घर में जो वृद्ध है, माता पिता, ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंडमदर, उनकी अगर सेवा करते हैं, उनको अभिवादन करते हैं, तो क्या होता है? चत्वारि तस्य वर्धन्ते आयुर्विद्या यशोबलम। आयु, विद्या, यश और बल, ये चारों चीज़ में वृद्धि होती है। तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, हमेशा अपनी भारतीय संस्कृति और भारतीय मूल्यों से आप जुड़ के रहना। और अंत में मैं ये कहूँगा कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का सपना जो है, हमारे देश को 2047 में एक डेवलप्ड नेशन बनाना है। और साथ साथ में उनका सपना है इसे विश्वगुरु बनाना है, विश्वगुरु दोबारा बनाना है। विश्वगुरु तो हम थे ही, हम सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजिकल डेवलपमेंट से विश्वगुरु नहीं बन सकते। हमें विश्वगुरु बनना है तो हमारी संस्कृत भाषा के माध्यम से हमारी खोई हुई विसारत को वापस अपनाना होगा, ढूंढना होगा। और भारतीय संस्कारों के साथ आगे बढ़कर ही हम विश्वगुरु फिर से बन सकेंगे। आप सबों को एक बार बहुत बहुत बधाई। थैंक यू।